These colts are 4 months old, and we have 3 fillies and 1 colt. They got weaned off their mothers about a month ago. They're beautiful animals, and they all have personalities, they all have behaviors, they all have different levels of trust. The motivation is to use the horse as a tool to teach kids about themselves. The way that these young horses are now, they see us as predators, and we want them to see us as leaders. And when they make that transition to seeing us differently, all of their behaviors change. And so when we can use that in a therapeutic environment and have adolescents see that, the trust goes up, the motivations change, and the behavior changes. And it's a really cool tool. She kind of sees herself as the leader over you guys. She sees you as another horse, and she's the leader over you, trying to push you around a little bit. And so, look out, she'll kick you.
Yeah. Jerry.
Yeah.
You should go pet her.
It's up to her, not me. Did you get that on film? Their motivations, are based a lot on fears, and a lot of the things that a horse chooses to do, they do very impulsively. They're very reactive. So we talk a lot about the logical side of your brain and the emotional side. And these horses are in their emotional side, so they're going to make real quick decisions. They're going to run a quarter mile without any thought. They're going to do things very impulsively, and they're going to do them based on fears, mostly based on fears. So a lot of adolescents make a lot of choices based on fears. Sometimes it's fear of success. It's usually fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of not being approved of. There are a lot of reasons that adolescents choose to do what they do. And so what we do in treatment is try to teach them to balance that out, so that their logical mind and their emotional mind will help them to make better decisions. And we try to do the same thing with these fillies. We want to teach them to think and to make better choices, and to have motivations that get them what they want, that aren't just based on their fears. We're not going to protect them from any failures. We're going to help them understand that the failures are what help them to be motivated to succeed and to learn from their failures in order to improve.